I'm going to try one box of 14 Stadium Club Baseball. I've wanted to break this stuff for a while. Looks like you get 18 packs, 3 mini boxes, 6 packs per box, and 1 on card per mini box, which is kind of cool. Lots of packs. I've heard, who was telling me, it might have been Michael, was telling me that some of the autos, the hits are pretty shabby in Stadium Club, but this product, or just the name Stadium Club, brings me back to my childhood. So we'll at least try one box of it. Topps likes to do the mini boxes, but I like to just put all the packs in one. So we'll try it. They're tough to get into. There we go. Just lift this flap up. Or I guess with this next box, we'll just try to open from the bottom. There we go. Making it harder than it has to be with these. So we'll do 3 stacks. 3 stacks, 18 packs, Stadium Club. This will be a preview for everybody to see if you haven't seen any of this stuff yet. It's not the most expensive product. I think there's photo variations too. Brooks Robinson. Bagwell. Oh, so they got the old timers. Beam Team. That's one of those old inserts. Bumgarner. So I'm gonna have to look up some of the info on this set just to see if there's photo variations. I go in Terapeak and see what some of the stuff's going for. The non-PC stuff. There's a Harvey and Wheeler. A couple good pictures. Nice mustache there. There's a Taijuan Walker rookie. I like the photography on this. You know what it looks like? Topps Prime. It reminds me of Topps Prime. That's a cool Yads. Luminous. Not numbered. This stuff's dropped in price a lot too since it came out. I'm trying to think of what a box is now. 60, 65 maybe. They're on the site if you need them. Mike Schmidt. That's an epic stash. There's a Will Myers, Future Stars. The inserts are cool. They should think about Jose Bautista Golf. Maybe that's an SP. They should number the cards. Some of the inserts at least. Edwin. That's epic. Look at that bow in the powder. Koufax Legends. Not numbered. There's lots of die cuts. And a lot of cards that are sideways. There's a Steroid SP, I think. Tony. See the space? So, a pretty base heavy product. There's an Abreu rookie. That's cool. That's probably numbered. Nope. Some type of insert. The letters look like a refractor. Chris Archer. So yeah, awesome photography. That's one thing I like about this. So far you don't get many numbered cards, so that's kind of a disappointment. That's a cool Smoltz. Felix. I wonder if that's an SP. I'm gonna guess that's an SP because I thought I pulled a Felix. It didn't look like that. Pedro Alvarez, the shiny version. So this product definitely has a retro feel to it. Lots of greats from the past. Napoli. I guess that's our first hit. Mario Hollins on card for the Phillies. I've not heard of him. There's a Hanley, luminescent, and it's not numbered. Kind of disappointed. I thought some of these cards would be numbered. This is going to be a long video too because it took me so long to get into the box. Also, you don't get as many rookie cards in this. There's a Tanaka. Marisnik on card for the Marlins. So 2 of the 3 hits are in. Marisnik, to me, he's always going to be like a fringe major leaguer. That's a cool Hamilton. That's an insert. Field access McGuire. One gripe I got with this product, just from opening it, is there's nothing numbered. Where's the chase? They didn't number anything. There's a Bagwell. I'll just call it a refractor. Bagwell refractor. Cards are cool. Pictures are cool. I don't think for the collector that's looking for value, I don't think you're going to find it here. So you might want to move along to the next product. This must be the 3rd hit because it's backwards. Chase Anderson for the Diamondbacks. Is he a relief pitcher? Huh. Yeah, these are kind of a wide pool on the hits there. So that's my 3 hits. I have not hit a numbered card yet. Usual. Field access. That's an awesome Giordano rookie. Darvish. Colton Wong rookie. Hank Aaron insert. And Eaton. Last pack. Tulo and a gold Bumgarner. That's it. Very weak product.